Today's electronic society pursues technologies in the micro world. Once a micron-level error occurs on an electronic circuit board, the home electrical appliance, car, boat, or airplane may no longer work properly, showing that precision technologies at the micron level can influence the function of a variety of machines. It is such precision technology and production processes that will support an increasingly evolving world of autonomous driving and aerial solutions in the future. Yamaha connects your production lines and the entire factory with its one-stop smart solution that makes your SMT factory smart, and strongly supports not only production of precise, high-quality electronic circuit boards, but also labor-saving and automation on your production site. Yamaha has a lineup of various machines that make up one-stop smart solution. Let's look at some of the latest products in this lineup. First of all, the premium printer YSP-10. The YSP-10 is a high-end printer with world-leading capabilities and has achieved fully automated setup changeovers. Automatic push-up pin exchange. Push-up pins that support PCBs are automatically arranged in optimum positions. Automatic stencil exchange. Preset the stencil for the next run and the machine will exchange it automatically. Automatic solder transfer. The machine automatically scrapes solder remaining on the used stencil and places it to the new one after exchanging. With these three fully automated functions, the setup changeover process frees the operator from this task and reduces the setup time to about 1/3 the time it used to take. This machine also has Yamaha's original 3S head with a freely customizable squeegee attack angle. Due to the effect, the solder refill capabilities can be controlled flexibly. A stencil suction function allows for stable printing as the stencil is strongly clamped to the PCB during printing. This greatly reduces deviations in reciprocated printing. Achieve high-spec printing and fully automated setup changeovers with the premium printer YSP-10. Next to the printing process is the print inspection process. Let's look at the 3D high-speed solder print inspection machine YSISP. The YSISP provides various inspections in one unit by high-precision inspection with a unique measurement algorithm that combines 3D and 2D, and resolution switching in 3 levels with super-resolution technology. The YSISP can also handle foreign matter inspections and 3D bond dispensing inspections through data link with a dispenser as an option. The YSISP contributes to building defect-free lines that correctly check the state of solder printing and bond dispensing before components are mounted. Next up, we have the premium high-efficiency modular YRM-20. This revolutionary high-speed all-round surface mounter is an advanced fusion of all of Yamaha's technologies. Its speed, 115,000 cph, is the world's fastest level in its class. What makes it possible is the ultra-fast rotary RM head. The combination with the high-speed ZSR feeder achieves overwhelmingly high productivity. Although the RM head is a rotary head, it is highly flexible and handles a wide range of sizes from 0.201 mm chips to 12 mm square components. The high-speed flexible inline HM head realizes a one-head solution at an advanced level for further versatility. It flexibly works with components in different sizes from 0.201 mm to 55 by 100 mm, while also achieving high speeds of 98,000 cph. The inline FM head is provided for odd-shaped components. It is ideal for mounting connectors and other tall components. The 3 heads can be combined freely, allowing you to choose the best combination according to the intended use. It features the non-stop automatic tray supplier, EATS30, that significantly reduces downtime through advanced non-stop feeding and batch supply. This allows a non-stop supply of tray components. High-speed tray replacement also helps reduce idle time. We have also newly developed the highly cost-effective, compact automatic tray supplier, CATS10R. It can store up to 10 pallets and accommodates flexible layout changes, and it recognizes components using a fiducial camera. These features realize easy handling. An innovative next-generation mounter that integrates all of Yamaha technology with a completely new platform. The new generation premium high-efficiency modular YRM20. Next, let's look at the 3D hybrid optical inspection system YRIV. This high-end AOI system offers 2D, 3D inspections and 4-angle camera inspections in one unit. With a newly developed inspection head that includes a high-speed, high-resolution camera, along with a high-performance GPU, it achieves the fastest level of inspection in the industry. The 8-way projector and 5-micrometer resolution lenses allow for highly accurate 3D inspections of 0 to 0.1 millimeter super tiny components and extremely adjacent mounting of components without any blind spots. Coaxial lighting realizes more robust inspections for scratches, cracks, and chips on mirror-finished components. With functional automation, AI, and deep learning, creating inspection data is easier and does not require advanced skills. With some of the industry's fastest inspection speeds and multifunctionality, the high-end 3D AOI YRIV achieves accurate quality judgment. As you can see, Yamaha delivers a full lineup for SMT production. All of these high-spec machines have advanced M2M integration for synergy with no black boxes, using a new software platform called WiseUp, the latest tool in one-stop smart solution. Let's take a look at the latest features in this software suite. First, let me describe the software that helps with the production planning and operating processes. CAD, CAM, Gerber data conversion. Convert not only ASCII format CAD data, but also standard CAM data to component mounting data. You can also convert such data to inspection data directly. Visual Data Editor. This displays images created from component mounting data so that component mounting positions and mounting angles can be confirmed in advance. It can also automatically measure component dimensions from the actual component image. The Production Planner. This software calculates the most efficient production priority for setup changeovers and the reflow process. It minimizes setup and changeover time along with standby time to boost productivity and work efficiency. Next, let's look at software for the setup and supply processes. The Remaining Components Monitor. You can use a tablet, phone, or other devices to remotely check when inventory is removed and understand when to resupply. WiseUp MI Server. This system provides central management of information on material and components for the entire floor and serves as a base system for utilizing the function of various options. Next, let's take a look at software that contributes to quality. The Live Dashboard. This lets you monitor the operational status of the whole floor or of individual lines in real time at a glance. We have built a more intuitive look, which significantly boosts operational efficiency. The Analyzing Dashboard. This visualizes progress, results, OEE, and KPIs in production, helping you analyze potential issues. It can display information from printers and SPIs all at a glance, helping you analyze causes efficiently. In pickup deviation analysis, the dashboard shows information from the mounter and AOI together. There are color-coded distribution maps for each head, making it easier to analyze pickup deviation. All Image Tracer Plus. This software saves all component recognition images from the mounters with no tact loss. The viewer application can easily search for the target image from among several million or more images to swiftly pinpoint causes of defects. The stored images are linked with process correlation and utilizes external inspection results from before and after reflow to link information against related printer and mounter images to swiftly pinpoint causes of defects at NG mounting points. Intelligent Factory that keeps on evolving in the YSUP software suite. It brings robust support towards autonomy and labor saving on SMT production floors through interlink between machine and software. Yamaha provides one-stop smart solution, not only for SMT, but also for semiconductor back-end processes. Because of advanced miniaturization and densification in the semiconductor industry, a higher level of packaging is now required. Yamaha Robotics Holdings manufactures and sells machines that meet micro-level needs. Shinkawa Limited manufactures sophisticated bonders used in the solution that connects semiconductors with high precision. APIC Yamato Corporation takes care of reliable molding machines and precision metal molds used in the process for the hardening of semiconductor packages. And PFA Corporation, which excels at assembling and diagnosing, manufactures assembling and inspection equipment that meets customer needs. Yamaha will continuously deliver a broad range of solutions that exceed customer expectations in the field of semiconductor packaging. All semiconductors, electronic components, and electronic substrates necessary to make every electronic product work reliably and sustainably should be produced precisely and efficiently at the micron level. Quest for an optimum solution for each process. With its one-stop smart solution, Yamaha continues to contribute to the realization of an affluent electronic society with frontline customers.